Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and we're going to go over how you would change your engine air filter. So this is the engine air box, or the filter box, and so we have our intake tube that comes right down through here to get all your air from the outside, and then it goes down into the bottom of this box, and then there's a filter in there, and then it comes, then your fresh clean air comes through this tube to go into the intake, and then your car will run. And so we have 4 bolts to be undone, and 2 on this side and 2 on this side, and they're size number 8. Size number 8, or your standard Phillips, will be able to loosen it. So you're going to loosen these screws, and they'll come out until they don't pull completely out of the plastic there, but when they're out they'll move, and they've got like a little shoulder that keeps them in there. And so you just need to loosen them until they get that motion, and then you'll be able to pop this cover and pull this up and be able to pull this air filter out. Now this air filter has definitely been in here way too long and not maintained, being that it has collapsed on itself. So we're going to set that aside, and then if we need to, we're going to check, and if there's a lot of debris down here, you may want to use a vacuum and vacuum that out. It doesn't look too bad. So we've got our new air filter, and this one actually has a mesh here that's going to hold it better so that it doesn't collapse like that other one did. Now we're going to just line it up and press it in, and now we'll be able to line that, and then just tighten the bolts / screws down, and then you just get them snug. You don't go over tight. It's just tightening into plastic, and we just want to keep that clamshell closed together so that we get good, clean, fresh air into our engine for the optimal combustion. There you go. And you've got your 4 bolts tightened down, and this is all snug, and nothing came off like this connector here. That's how you would replace your engine air filter on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.